Well, welcome on another part of my tutorial, Fusion 360 tutorials. So today I'm going to show you what is the sketching in Fusion like. The sketching, as I'm creating anything in Fusion, must be declared on planes. So if you want to make some sketches, then you've got a selection to, you've got a special part of modeling tools here. If you extend that, you've got all you can create here, and underneath you've got some stuff to modify that. So for example, you can fillet, trim, extend, break, offset. This is very helpful tools. So I'll show you how to use it. So if you want to make some sketch, as a, let's say at the beginning I'll start with a rectangle or something like that. So you go to your sketch bar and then just press rectangle, and you can select 2 points or 3 points or center rectangle. Let's just be on 2 points. So as you see, at the beginning of any creation, the software asking you, shows you the planes. It means that it ask you to select the plane you want to start to create the sketch. So I select the top one, so automatically the software will go to the top view to make easier for you to create anything. So now I will start to create this somewhere. Yeah, let's just extend it here and here. You've got it, and you it's basically it. And if you, I don't know if you spot it, but very important thing happened here on the left, on the end of the bar. There's an additional feature which appears only when you are in sketch mode. So if you stop sketching, you go back to the modeling tool. So I will do it right now to show you. Yeah, you're going back to the 3D, and now you're selecting the area, which means that you've created some close shape, and now you can work on it. For example, you can just pull it, yeah, and it's gonna be solid right now. You are not able to work. You can pull edge, yeah, but it doesn't actually work. You have to remember, in Fusion you should actually go to the closer loop anytime, because in this mode, this allows you to make a solid. This is very important. You have to remember that. So let's just create some more stuff. Let's make some I don't know, fillet here. Yeah, and then just go and fillet it. Yeah, you can easily drag your edge and declare fillet. So we just need to stop sketch and see what's happened right now. Okay, so we can now go and modify, for example, go and make offset. Let's create this. Let's modify that. So you have to select it and press, and you just need to go and just drag it somewhere on your window and then press OK. Yeah, so you see your sketch is splitted in two, yeah, in this area and that area. It means if you select one of these, only one gonna work as a tool. So let's see. Let's stop sketch and go select outside shape and then modify, and then just pull it. Yeah, you can also extrude. There's some more comments. Yeah, so that's how it works basically. And if you extrude it right now, you look what happened in a history bar. There are two features you've made. Yeah, if you go and right click on it, on the first one, and say edit sketch, you can now change what you like. So if you type, for example, 10, yeah, anything what you've done here gonna be changed in the future features. Yeah, and I'll go and let's say make a fillet here just for fun. Let's see what happened. The warnings is something is wrong, the constraints are not something is removed, so you have to be careful to not mess up. And yeah, we've messed up. So, but that's actually, I'm happy with that it came up. If you mess up some stuff, the Fusion will tell you that. So let's go back. We've made some constraints here, and we are not able to change it like that, but we can actually go and use this and then make 50. Yeah, then we are making our own constraints here, and then 100. Yeah, see, and everything what we've made right now going to be changed in your future features. So basically, I would like to remember that you have to declare your what you're gonna design or you're gonna sketch. Now it's the same here. You can sketch on this surface, and for example, let's make a rectangle like that, and then we stop sketch. Look, there is, and then just select that, press pull, and it can work as a tool here. You can declare what you want to do as an operation. You can cut, you can make new body, it's going to appear here. You can intersect, but I just want to make a hole. But if you pull it in the opposite direction, you create the box, but the box is going to be joined with the design you already have, only as long as you say it's going to be, I want a new body. Usually you're just creating just joining, and this is it. So basically this is it. So I think you can work, you can try to work a little bit with software and understand what is all about the sketching. So good luck and see you on the next part.